Welcome to the How Research channel. Today I will show you how to record slow motion videos on the OPPO Find X9 Pro. So first of all, open your camera app. If it's not there, simply scroll up from the middle of your screen and find the camera app in the app drawer. Now scroll right to the More section, and in here pick Slow-Mo, which is right here. Now I will record a short video. Once you record your video, check to see what you recorded. And as you can see, the video is slowed down, which means the slow motion works perfectly. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the How Research channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.